Blinkers on. Blinkers. We're now heading to Alona. Alona. What's up there, Sander? You're feeling okay? Feeling okay?
1 million views again?
Yeah. How's your snacks? Oh?
Good.
It's good?
Good.
Yeah.
Satisfying.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. You're good in English, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not that much.
Huh?
Not that much.
This fellow biker. I just met a cyclist here in the road. Hello, sir. So where are you heading? Where are you going?
My apartment.
Yeah. Ah, to Alona?
Huh?
You'll go to Alona?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah. You're just alone?
Yes.
Yeah. So you've been biking for a long
Where
time?
I come from?
We're from Tagbilaran City.
Saan na siya, Der?
Oh yeah, welcome to Bohol. How's your stay in here?
Very good place.
Yeah. From where are you? Oh, right. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good constructors in Japan. When I heard there's a road that was broken in Japan. We heard that it was just built for like 5 hours. God, when there was a earthquake.
Yes.
What's the forest called?
We're already here at Upper Alona. So here, restaurants everywhere. Okay. Bye, sir. Okay. Entering Alona. Yeah, lots of tourists. Lots of tourists under. Lots of tourists. Lots of tourists here in Alona. Yeah. There's a nightlife this evening, huh? Yeah. This story, huh? Yeah, we're going down.
Go. So you should tag Mr. Engineer Fuji.
Yeah. The name of that guy is Engineer Fuji, you know? He has this operation in the international airport. Yeah. We got restaurants. Yeah. There's nightlife in Alona. We just arrived here in Alona Beach.
Wait.
so tired. Yeah. We bought some macaroons in this little bakery. Yeah. Yeah. We're still 3/4 on our ride around Panglao. Yeah, so we're here at Grab House with Kenneth, Ken, GR. Yeah. So, karon manana mo. Mamana, oh.
Maklaro po.
Sige.